Hi! In front of me is OnePlus 11 and today I would like to show you how you can access all your downloads on this device. First of all, you need to find an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. If you never used it before, select Continue in the pop-up. Click on Allow in this one. And then click on Browse at the bottom in the middle. Finally, tap on Downloads category. And as you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you wish to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!